Today we're going to be doing a few things. One of them is we're disconnecting the water. We're disconnecting the sewage. We're going to move the truck back a few steps just to get it off its platform. The wood that we are using to keep it level, we're going to use that wood to border it up. And those are today's tasks. Let's see how we go. Right, we're at the point where we've got to drain the water. A little bit of water inside this tank. So what we've got to do is we've got to make sure that that's closed. The input is closed on this side. Show you a little trick how to get this quick connect off. Get it to the size of the tube. And then it should just come off there like that. There's a little piece inside there. What a pleasure. So that part's off. What we have here is our plumbing. From the fresh water is plumbed from the tank directly into the water pump, from the water pump to a non-return valve, from there to a pressure electric switch which only kicks the pump in when it reaches 60 psi or drops below 60 psi. I've got a pressure gauge. It's an analog gauge there. I then go right at the back. I've got a digital gauge, which is an IoT sensor, and then I've got a flow gauge, which tells me exactly what the quantity of water I've used and the rate it's being pumped at. And then this big blue thing is a pressure tank, so it creates a back pressure so that it saves the pump from turning on and off too much. So it keeps it at 60 psi, and that's connected to the truck. The main water supply, and then I've got all the cables that run into IoT sensors from there. From here, we've got our water tank. So if you look from the back side, we've got the water tank. That's the heat on demand system. Underneath here is where all the plumbing starts, waste and freshwater inlet and waste outlet. Comes down. So I ran out of time today. Only managed to disconnect electricity, water and plumbing. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get the truck moving.